have you ever hit that withdrawal button a little too fast? Yeah, we've all been there. Sometimes market turned, you've changed your mind, or simply you were not ready. But the good news is that you can cancel that withdrawal process in just few clicks. Fast and easy. Actually, I'm here to show you that. Let's start. So first, log in to your client area and go to the Funds menu. Click on Transactions History. You'll see here that you had your recent withdrawals requests. And if a request is still unconfirmed, it will appear under the Pending Transactions section. Find the withdrawal you want to cancel and click the Cancel button next to it, of course. A confirmation message will appear. Click Yes to confirm the cancellation, and that's it. Your withdrawal request is now canceled. It will move to the Transaction Details section with the status marked as cancel. And if you want to review the request you canceled, just click the View Detail button next to it. And just like that, your withdrawal is cancelled. No stress, no drama. Whether you want to adjust your amount or change your method or just rethink your move, you're always in control. If this video saved you even 5 seconds from panic, give it a like, tap subscribe, and hit that bell so you're always one step ahead. Thanks for watching. That was it. See you in the next how-to.